Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatim and welcome back to Fatim Ali's Kitchen. How are you all? In this Ramadan videos today, we've got you a very quick and simple recipe that will not take too long and it's not going to be complicated for you guys, that we bring in this kitchen today and show you how we make it so that it's easy for you guys to make it. And also thank you so much for your lovely support towards our channel, and the ones who haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Get there and just click that subscription button and subscribe. Okay, let's get into it. So today we've got you Seabream fish here. It's all nicely cleaned and I have put lines in it, and then I have soaked it into a tablespoon of lemon juice and a tablespoon of cider vinegar with salt for half an hour in the fridge, so that the lemon and the vinegar, the whole marinade, can get into the fish, and then when we cook it, it will be very nice. So we are cooking this fish today. We're grilling it basically, and then we're going to make some salad, and we will have some plantain. We're going to fry some plantain, which is going with this grilled Seabream fish today, and then we're going to make some onion sauce for it as well, all nice and healthy and less oil. So guys, I've got a confession to make. I show you 2 fish for our grill, and then I end up adding 1 more fish to it because I feel like it's gonna be very nice. Everyone loves grilled fish here, so they're like, oh, can you add some more? So we end up adding 1 more. And also I have added a tiny bit of mustard, about 1.5 spoons of Dijon mustard, and then I marinate it and put it in the fridge for half an hour. Also it's got lemon. So we're going to go on and drizzle some oil on our tray here, on our baking sheet, so that our fish doesn't stick when we grill it. So I'm going to go on and add the fish in here. Yeah. So that's gonna be there. And then this marinade that's left here, I'm not gonna get rid of it. I will be adding it on the fish later on, okay? Guys, the fish is going in the oven and we will be grilling this fish for 10 to 15 minutes, okay? Okay, so guys, let's turn the fish around. I just want it to be nicely cooked. See? When you put oil on the plate, it turns out nicely and it doesn't break or stick on the paper. It doesn't stick. There you go. So at this point, I'm going to go on and add that marinade that was in the bowl earlier. Add all of that on it. And then I'm going to put it back in the oven. And this time, I'm going to leave the oven door open to grill it, because we want that grill sign on the fish. Okay. There you go. Leave the oven open and let it grill. So guys, while our fish is grilling in the oven, we went on and sliced our onions. As you can see, we make it a very nice thinly slices, and we've thrown some spring onion on the top to give it some color. And then we have also cut our tomatoes thinly as well. Okay, and we've got 2 lemons here that we're going to put here, and we've also got our green salad that we cut also. I'm going to squeeze the lime. Okay, for this onion dressing. You can also use lemon, or you can use a lemon juice if that's what you've got. Okay. And then I'm going to add that on our onions. Then I'm going to add the salt and pepper, a very tiny amount of each. Then I'm going to add 1 Maggi cube. Then I'll add some oil. Okay. And then I'm going to mix all of these together. And then I will add the tomatoes in. Mix them all well together. Okay, so this is our onion salsa sauce for our Seabream grill. And we've also got my chili sauce seasoning, my chili sauce that I made. And then I've added some tomato ketchup in it to kill the spice a little bit. So that's here, that's gonna be our dipping sauce. Okay, so now let's go and check our fish. Then when our fish is ready, we will be plating up, okay? So guys, there you have it. That's our fish nicely grilled in the oven. So we're going to plate up now. We cannot wait to have this yum fish. It's looking good and it's smelling great. Can't wait to have it. There you have it guys, our lovely grilled Seabream, nicely plated up for you in here. And it's got less oil like I said earlier, and it's not too much because you don't want wastage in Ramadan. Just go gentle, go slow, go easy, and that's the perfect way to do Ramadan, okay? And I hope you all love watching this video while we make it for you. And if you do, you know what to do. Click the like, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell right over here so that you don't miss out on contents when we post a new video. You will be the first to be notified. You're all invited for our Iftar meal. Come and enjoy Iftar with us until we come on your way again soon. Thank you all for watching. By the way, we've got our chili sauce here with ketchup, and we've also added some mayo over there to go with this lovely grill. And then that's all, okay? See you soon. Goodbye.